Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate your support and your love. Thank you all so much. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing things the elegant lady do not want to leave at home when they are going on vacation. These are items essential, very important for you to have when you're going on vacation. Some of the things I'm going to be mentioning today are things that some of you might be aware of before, or then you might go like, oh snap, I never even thought about that for once. I've never even thought I need to have these. Oh yeah, she's saying the real thing. Oh, she's saying the things I've heard before. But you just wait, okay? Watch until to the end of this video, then you will see that I'm kind of giving you idea of things that you will never think you should take to vacation, or until you get to your vacation place destination, then you start thinking about, oh snap, I should have had this in my suitcase. Oh, I have to go purchase this. When you go on vacation, you're going to spend money. You don't want to buy things that you already have at home before. This is the idea behind this video. I'm all about saving money, and you all know this channel is about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. But before we move right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do me a favor, like this video so that YouTube algorithm will recommend this video for as many people out there that they might find this topic interesting or helpful. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. The first thing on my list will be sunscreen. Yes. Today, I'm not going to be talking about clothes, shoes, purses, makeup. Those things are one of those items that you're going to think about when you're going on vacation. It's like it's the norm. It's normal for you to have clothes when you're going on vacation. But those things that you will not even put too much thought into it until you get to your destination are the things I'm going to be mentioning. So for that reason, the first point, like I mentioned, is sunscreen. You all know how vital, how very important sunscreen is for us, our skin. Even as a black woman, we need it. Don't ever think that because you're dark or because you have melanin that you don't need sunscreen. You do need it. Otherwise, your skin is going to age like so. I am 47 and I'm loving it. All right, so I use my sunscreen every day, no matter the season that we are. I use it summer, winter, fall, spring. I use my sunscreen. I don't joke with it. I use on my face, I use on my body, and if my part of my body is exposed, I make sure I slap it on it as well. So I'm not going to tell you buy this, buy that, but the one that I've been using is the Black Girl sunscreen. It no longer works for my face anymore because whenever I use it on my face lately, I've been breaking out, so I stopped using it on my face, so I use it on my body. And I have another one that I just purchased. It's Korean one and I'm loving it. I'll put this picture right here for you. The second thing I'm going to be sharing on my list is going to be chapstick. Yes, you all might be thinking that chapstick, why will I need chapstick? If you're not the type that you wear makeup, all right, please listen. All right, I know some people want to wear makeup on their vacation. Why some don't want to wear makeup? They just want to be, as simple as possible. But I would recommend that you shouldn't leave your lips exposed to the sun. So whatever chapstick you're going to get, make sure it's the one that has an SPF, at least SPF 15. You will see it on it. The one that I'm using, that I always use, I make sure whenever I'm purchasing my sunscreen, my chapstick, it does have SPF. I'll also insert the picture here just for reference. I am not promoting them. You can buy whichever brand you want, but that's the one I've been using, and make sure it has sunscreen in it. So whenever you are out there doing your sightseeing without makeup on, you don't want to leave your lips exposed to sun. Even I would recommend you wear your sunscreen chapstick under your lipstick. Yes, so as to protect your skin, just like we put sunscreen under our makeup. Alright, I know depending on the location or destination where you're going, the third item I'm about to mention might not be for everybody. But if you're going to where you're going to be going to the island, to the beach, I would recommend you have a cover up. If you want to look elegantly on the beach, you have to have your cover up on. Even if you're wearing just two-piece, or you're wearing just single swimming suit, you still want to look elegant and look very well put together. Have your cover up on, just walk around in the beach and just relax. You might not think about it that you need to have your cover up, and you forget your cover up. So I'm sharing this video just for you to know that those things are very important, just as much as they are important as your clothes and your shoes and your makeup, your skincare that you're going to be taking along. Always leave your home when you're going on vacation with your cover up for your swimming suit, depending on your destination. The next point that I'm going to be mentioning is very, 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 very important. And I know some of us might not think about it. Some of us will go like, oh, when I get there to my destination at the hotel, they should have one. What about if they don't have one? For that being said, I would like to say thank you to this brand, iLife. iLife brand, they are into travel garment steamer. This steamer was sent to me by this company. It is 700 watt steamer. The cord is 9 foot power cord long. That you don't have to worry about the distance when you want to steam your clothes. It is very portable. It's very lightweight. This is what I would recommend when you're traveling, because it's very lightweight. It can fit into your luggage easily. It makes your ideal travel companion. Very, very simple. It can hold water up to 240 ml, and it can provide up to 15 minutes of continuous steaming to eliminate wrinkles flawlessly. This steamer can be used for a wide range of clothing material like chiffon. You can use it on silk, you can use it on wool, cotton, linen. You all have seen the difference when I started steaming this shirt, the white shirt, which is my beach cover up. You can see how wrinkled it was and how it is after I finished steaming it. That steamer is very, very light. I do own one before this company reached out to me, and I would never get tired of steamer, because whenever I go on vacation, it's one of the things I always pack. I don't like to iron. Steamer just work perfectly for me, and it just make your clothes to look very good. Especially it makes it look very presentable, and you don't have to stress it. You don't have to lay something flat and start ironing. Just standing there, you just hang it up on non-rusting hanger. Okay, you use maybe a plastic hanger. I would recommend. That's what I normally use, and that's what I use. So you just steam your clothes and you're good to go. I really love how effective it was. It worked perfectly and very lightweight, very, very compatible, that you can just put it in your luggage. The next on my list that I'm going to be sharing is going to be sunglasses. Yes, you want to have sunglasses of different shape, of different style, depending on what you're going for. You can just pop it on to block your eyes or protect your eyes from the sun. You don't want to be squinted, because the more you squint, the more you wrinkle. If you don't know, yes, the more you squint, the more you wrinkle. All right, you want to have sunglasses to protect your eyes from the sun. The next thing I would recommend is going to be a hat. You want to have a hat on your head also to protect you from the sun. Some of us, depending on your destination, where you're going, will determine. And if you think about it, most of us will normally travel to the island where they have the beaches. We always travel there during summertime. We want to go to the beach, we want to go to the pool. You need all those things when you're going on your vacation. So don't forget to pack everything I'm mentioning now into your suitcase when you're leaving. You don't want to go and get to your destination and start purchasing what you already own at home. Another thing that I will mention, which I should have mentioned earlier, it's going to be a swimming suit. Depending on where you're going, you can do one piece, you can do two piece, depending on your style, but make sure you have a cover up for you to look elegant at the pool, at the beach. That's my recommendation. Swimming suit, especially if you know you're going to be swimming and you're going to go to the pool or you're going to go to the beach. You don't want to get to your destination and start purchasing swimming suits. It's going to be like, except you want to go for another style from what you own at home before. Another thing that I would recommend, if you don't braid your hair, if your hair is not braided or is in cornrow of any form, of any shape, but you have the intention of wearing wig to your vacation, make sure you have another wig on the side. And the reason is because you never can tell what can happen to the one you own, and you don't want to, the one you carried along, and you don't want to have wigs that you have to worry about making them look so perfectly, making them to look very as natural as possible. I'm going to recommend popping and go, just like the one I have on right now. Just pop it and go. You don't have to worry about baby hair at the front. You don't want to worry about flat ironing. You don't want to stress yourself when you're on your vacation. Everything that you're going to carry, take along when you're going on vacation are things that are supposed to be relaxing, things that just pop in and go kind of a thing. You don't want to stress yourself Why do you go on vacation in the first place? It's because you want to relax. So you don't want to go with wigs that will give you too much of styling techniques trouble. No, just go with another extra one that you can just pop on and go. And the last on my list, it's gonna be tailoring kits. You might be wondering that what does she mean by tailoring kits? That's what I call it. If I'm using the wrong term, please correct me in the comment section. This is the one I normally carry. Every time I go on vacation, I make sure I have it. Inside of it, I have thread, needles. Say I have thread, needles, and a tiny scissors inside of it. I actually purchased this at the Dollar Tree, but this was a gift that someone gave to me, like a makeup bag, so I just put this inside of it to make it look more presentable. And I have extra buttons in here just in case if I have any kind of outfit malfunctioning, which I've never experienced before. I would rather, you know, tailor it with thread and needle than using safety pin. Sometimes when I'm doing my video at home and the clothes doesn't fit, I will use safety pin, and because I'm at home, but I don't want to be caught out there with a safety pin, even for safety issue. What about if the head of the safety pin pop out? It's going to poke you in your skin. That doesn't look good. You're on vacation, you want to relax, you don't want that to happen to you. I just make sure I have this in my luggage all the time. I call it tailoring kits, so you might want to look into it. Like I said, the one inside of it I purchased at Dollar Tree, which is $1 when I purchase it, but I just put it in this bag to make it look more presentable. Okay ladies, this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.